Hello everyone, welcome to all of you on a new video. Today we will see 3 best high growth stocks to buy in June 2023. All the 3 best high growth stocks are of tech sector. So let's start today's topic. Now the first high growth stock name is Microsoft. As you know, Microsoft is a technology sector company. Currently, the stock price of Microsoft trade at 3 to $6.79. Let's see some important points related to Microsoft stocks. Nowadays, Microsoft take advantage of the accelerated adoption of the cloud computing. In recent quarters, Microsoft's Azure cloud in recent quarters, Microsoft's Azure cloud platform seen impressive growth and analysts this trend to continue for the years. For the current quarter, analysts project Microsoft will grow revenue 6.9% while earnings are expected to jump 14.8%. Now we move forward and the second high growth stock name is Constellation Software. Constellation Software, also a tech sector company with a market cap of $43.9 billion. Currently, the Constellation Software trade at $2025 and it has seen a remarkable 155% surge in its share price over the last 5 years. Constellation Software announced its first quarter results on 15th May. In its quarterly result, its revenue increased 34% year over year, while cash flows from operation were up 27% from a year ago. The company declared $1 per share dividends with a dividend yield of 0.2%. Now the last high growth stock name is Snowflake. Snowflake is a cloud-based data platform provider has participated in tech sector stocks rising 19% so far this year and 28% over the past 12 months. The company released its first quarter result on 24th May, beating analysts eliminates on the top and bottom line. Analysts predicts that in the next quarter results its revenue growth of around 33%. Currently, the Snowflake stock trade at $170.65 with a nearly $120 billion market cap. Now, let's wind up today's videos. I hope you like this video. Then please subscribe my channel and like and share this video.